In this video, I will explain what essential oils are, how to use them correctly, and the therapeutic benefits of each application method, whether at home or in a professional setting. Essential oils are highly concentrated, volatile plant extracts obtained through steam distillation or cold pressing from flowers, leaves, bark, roots, seeds, or fruit peels. Because of their potency, essential oils must be used properly to ensure both effectiveness and safety. Keep watching to learn the best ways to use essential oils and how they can support your physical and emotional well-being. Methods of using essential oils. First of all, diffusion. Diffusion helps purify the air, influence mood, and create a calming or uplifting atmosphere at home or in the workplace. Add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil to a water-based diffuser. Diffuse for 30 to 60 minutes at a time. This method is ideal for relaxation, stress management, focus, sleep support, and respiratory comfort. Secondly, direct inhalation. Direct inhalation delivers fast results by stimulating the olfactory system. Inhale directly from the bottle or place 1 to 2 drops on a tissue or cotton pad and inhale deeply. This method is useful for stress relief, mental clarity, nausea, and respiratory support. Third, topical application. Topical use allows essential oils to be absorbed through the skin for localized relief. Essential oils must always be diluted in a carrier oil such as shea butter, jojoba oil, coconut oil, or massage oil. Add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply to pulse points, muscles, or affected areas. This method is commonly used for massage, skin care, muscle pain, and joint stiffness. Fourth, by aromatic baths. Aromatic baths promote deep relaxation, muscle relief, and skin benefits. Mix 3 to 5 drops of essential oil with bath salt. Add to warm bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. What are the benefits of essential oils? For relaxation, stress, and anxiety reduction, use lavender, ylang-ylang, bergamot, frankincense, grapefruit, jasmine, vetiver, sandalwood, patchouli, geranium, chamomile, thyme chamomile also supports blood circulation and relieves muscle soreness and stiffness. To improve sleep, use lavender, valerian, sweet orange, vetiver. For pain relief, muscle fatigue, and stiffness, use peppermint, eucalyptus, lavender, sweet orange, jasmine, clary sage, chamomile, cinnamon, grapefruit, cedarwood, rosemary, lemongrass, frankincense, vetiver, thyme, pine needle. Add 5 drops of juniper berry essential oil to bath water to relax stiff muscles after exercise. It also helps with acne, clogged pores, and scalp oil balance. For blood circulation support, use rosemary, tea tree, cedarwood, chamomile, cinnamon, clove, myrrh, geranium, lemongrass, frankincense, orange, clary sage, jasmine, vetiver, eucalyptus, thyme, sandalwood, pine needle, rose. Rose oil also supports hormonal balance and skin pigmentation regulation. For mood enhancement, use rose, juniper berry, lemongrass, grapefruit, lemon, rosemary, clary sage, bergamot, patchouli, cedarwood, pine needle, eucalyptus, ginger. Ginger is also known to stimulate circulation and promote hair growth. As anti-mosquito and parasite repellent, use lemon, peppermint, and citronella. For skin aging and regeneration, use lemon, ylang-ylang, clary sage, patchouli. For stress and mild depression support, citronella, pine needle, clove, clary sage, bergamot, grapefruit, geranium. For energy and immune system stimulation, use peppermint, tea tree, patchouli, and thyme. Thyme has strong antimicrobial properties that support immune health. For respiratory system support, use eucalyptus, peppermint, ravensara, tea tree, lavender. Eucalyptus clears airways, reduces inflammation, fights infections. Peppermint, menthol relieves congestion and soothes sore throats. Ravensara, antiviral and expectorant, supports immunity. Tea tree, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, supports circulation and muscle recovery. Lavender calms irritated airways and relieves muscle tension. These oils can be used through diffusion, inhalation, or topical massage when properly diluted. Essential oils are natural, but they are powerful and must be used responsibly. Never apply undiluted essential oils directly to the skin. Always perform a patch test before topical use. Consult a healthcare professional if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or managing a medical condition. Use only high quality, 100% pure essential oils. Some oils are photosensitive. Avoid sun exposure after skin application to prevent redness, burning, or blistering. If this video helped you understand how to use essential oils safely, like this video, subscribe for more natural wellness tips and share it with someone who needs it.